to the presentation of Liquid Pours Xtreme. If you are looking for an expert advisor to manage your capital, avoiding high-risk strategies like Martingale and unlimited grids, this EA could be your ideal option. Throughout this video, I will show you how it works, why it limits risk to a maximum of 2%, and above all, we will look at the results of two specific backtests, Eurodollar M5 and CAD M5. What is Liquid Pours Xtreme EA? Liquid Pours Xtreme EA is designed to operate based on well-defined liquidity moments. Instead of relying on the idea that the price always returns or dangerously increasing the lot size, this EA maintains a fixed risk in each trade. Maximum 2% risk per trade. If you try to set more, an error will occur and it will not operate. Each order opens with a clear stop loss and take profit. It implements partial closures and break even to secure profits as the market moves in favor. You can choose on which days of the week and at what times you want to trade. There is no martingale. There is no unlimited grid. This will prevent the account from being wiped out. To verify the effectiveness of this approach, we conducted a backtest on Eurodollar with the M5 timeframe, starting with a balance of 1,000 USD. In this simulation, you will see how the balance progresses steadily. There are no spikes of radical ups and downs. As each trade assumes a uniform risk, in the deposit load panel, you will notice that the used margin remains within stable ranges, without large jumps. This demonstrates that there are no exponential increases in lot size after a losing streak. The recovery ratio and the percentage of winning trades reflect the consistency of the EA. Even so, remember, past results do not guarantee future returns, but they do indicate the disciplined logic behind the strategy. Then we conducted another test with CAD on M5, also with an initial balance of $1,000. You will see an upward balance curve as well, without extreme shocks. This means that the EA does not go crazy, increasing lots or opening positions without a defined stop loss. Defined loss. The low-risk approach remains constant, and thus we minimize the risks, the probabilities of blowing the account. The profit factor usually remains stably above 1. The maximum drawdown is moderate, thanks to the fact that each trade always risks a fixed percentage, up to 2%. Why do these results matter? They demonstrate that the strategy does not rely on aggressive tricks, like Martingale or infinite grids. They confirm a more stable growth of the balance, as the AI executes each trade with a clearly defined risk. They show the ability to adapt to different pairs and timeframes, without major modifications. In conclusion, this expert advisor supports the security of capital thanks to the 2% risk cap. It shows consistent growth curves in backtests like EURUSD M5 and USDCAD M5. It avoids risky practices, Martingale, unlimited grids. If you want an expert advisor that protects your account and at the same time knows how to take advantage of market liquidity with partial closures and break even, Liquid Xtreme EA could be your ally.